What's going on, guys? Look, I got a really good video, a really personal one, a really deep one today for you, right? Trading, it really opens the door for you to just live the life that you truly desire, right? So much of our lives get hijacked. So much of our energy gets hijacked because we are siphoning it and just giving it away to so many people, right? We don't have the freedom to do the things that God put on our heart to do. And we live our life in a perpetual excuse for not going after that thing. Now, I get it. Money is important, right? It's important to make money, right? It's something that we can't control. It's people that lived on this earth hundreds of years before we did, thousands of years before we did, came up with certain systems and policies, and we've perpetuated it over time and passed it down. And we have this capitalistic system that we just cannot seem to escape. I get that. But if we are going to live life within the confines of capitalism, within the confines of commerce, let's make sure that we are being the most efficient that we can be, meaning doing things that take the least amount of time for the largest gain so that we can get back in touch with the things that we truly love. Like, man, this is actually the first time I'm saying this like publicly, but I love music, right? Music has always been something that was, a big deal to me. I got my first CD when I was a kid. It was actually the Miseducation of Lauryn Hill. It wasn't even the full album. It was like the single. I think it was like two tracks on there. And then I had the Deborah Cox single, the little Nobody's supposed to be it, right? I got that, and I just fell in love with music. And then just, I always would like write little stuff. I would like freestyle sometimes. Even, when I got into corporate, like, and I would get off work and I'd be fighting traffic, I would freestyle and rap and all this stuff to try to like decompress from the day. I guess it was me essentially like fighting for a semblance of who I truly am because I spent the whole day being somebody else at work. I spent the whole day like pretending and putting on a show for the sake of money. Fast forward to now, it's like, I'm 36 years old and I'm getting more in touch with myself. I feel like I get another chance to be that kid again. I get another chance to start doing the creative things that I've loved to do my entire life, but always felt like I couldn't. Right? Now, there's a bunch of reasons why one may not pursue creative endeavors initially, but money is a really big one, right? There's obviously like there's different psychological things, different upbringings, but money is one of the biggest preventers or deterrents from you doing what it is that you love to do. When you get into trading, you get to get all of that back. That's the good news, right? When you start to make money independently and you know how to command, $500, $1,000 a day out of the market, just think about the doors that open up from there, right? Like I'm able to move, come and go as I please. I'm even working on music now, right? Like I'm recording music because it feels good, it's fun. I still get to run my watch company, right? I get to spend more time with my family. I just took my mom to, get surgery and I was able to be there for her the other day. Like that feels good to me, right? The truth is, so many of us feel like this, but for so long we just accepted the status quo. Go to work, come home, get into some vices that do not contribute to you being a healthier, better, bigger version of yourself, and then repeat. And then at some point, the life is just sucked out of you, and you look and feel 10, 20 years older than you are. You no longer really have a zest for life or a twinkle in your eye or an excitement to get up the next day. It's time to really reconsider just how things have been going. There's a better way, and I'm telling you, like, I'm not some guru. I'm a person who's literally just doing this. Like, I quit my job. I started a company. I needed more income, so I started trading. My heart started opening up. I started having more fun. I'm meeting cooler people. Better people are attracted to me. I'm enjoying this thing called life again, and I feel like it's just the beginning. I will always see successful people being like, oh, it's just the beginning. I'm just getting, they be like 50, 60 years old. They're like, yeah, it's just the beginning. It's a real feeling of you just feeling like you're getting started that I can't really even explain. You just gotta feel it. And the way to get to that place is by having those finances under control, having that freedom, having that time. So now you can sit and just think and just be with yourself sometime. Now you can just sit and be in your energy. You don't have to be around people you don't necessarily want to be around. That's when the magic starts to happen. You're in control of your energy, your frequency, and you start to really start remembering things about yourself. Could be from a past life. It could be from when you were just a child, right? And you start doing those things again and remembering how good it feels. And next thing you know, life is great again. So I want to encourage you guys, man, like tap into the community. I got the link in the description below. Like really, really try to learn this trading thing. If not for anybody, for you to get back in touch with you, right? This trading shit got me back into creativity. It got me back into just my own essence and vibe. And I'm deeply appreciative of that. And I want to extend that same feeling to you guys. I appreciate you guys, following me on YouTube, like, comment, subscribe. It means the world. It's going to allow me to continue doing this and just sharing my stories and sharing my heart and sharing my trading experiences, giving you opportunities to grow your money. All of that is from you just liking and sharing it. I appreciate it. If this message hits you right there in the heart, go ahead and share it. All right? I'll see you in the next video. Peace.